guys, it's Miss Mayra. Today I'll be doing hands-on and story time. Our theme for today is unicorns. So I made a unicorn mask. You guys can actually come pick this up if you guys call at 479-621-1152, extension 2. You guys can come pick that up during curbside pickup hours, okay? Okay. Also, I made a unicorn sensory bin. I dyed rice a few different colors. It looks really pretty and colorful. So I am actually going to mix this to have that rainbow effect. It looks really pretty. And I'm going to add little unicorn creatures I bought and little jewels that we bought as well. Looks really pretty and colorful, and the kids can play with this sensory bin. If you get some spoons, you guys can get a bowl and just, pour it in and out. So that's fun. Today I'm going to show you guys how to dye rice, okay? So you will need a Ziploc bag, rice, and vinegar, okay? And your color. I'm going to dye this purple. Okay, so this can be messy, so you'll have to be super careful. Let me move this so I don't spill it. And you are going to need 2 cups of rice. Okay, pour that in there. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Okay, after that, you will need 3 tablespoons of vinegar, okay? I'm going to use a cup so I don't spill it everywhere. Two, 3. Okay. After that, I will add a few dots of the purple. And you are going to have to mix it around. It does take a bit of time. And you can see it turn purple. And if you want it to be a little bit darker, you guys can add more purple. But I am going to leave it light purple. This does take a few minutes. I will need a tray. You will need a tray to pour this into after you're done mixing it. Okay, I did not make this dark purple. I made it light purple, and I will show you guys how it looks. right now. It's really wet, so you will have to wait a few hours for it to dry. And then you'll have your rice all dyed. You guys can do more colors. It's actually super easy and fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Bye.